Hello peachies! Welcome back to Dear Peachy. The ribbon braided hairstyle has been gaining popularity recently and is a fun and feminine way to elevate your hair game. This style involves weaving a thin ribbon through a simple braid, adding a pop of color and texture to your hair. The ribbon can be matched to your outfit or used to complement your hair color for a subtle accent. Whether you wear it as a half-up style or a full braid, the ribbon braided hairstyle is a playful and trendy way to add some flair to your hair. Today, we're excited to introduce you to Xiao Zhou, a renowned beauty influencer on Xiao Hong Shu. She'll be demonstrating 4 adorable ribbon hairstyles that you can recreate even without any hairdressing skills. Before we begin the tutorial, make sure to have some ribbons in your preferred color and hair ties on hand. For the first hairstyle, we'll be doing a simple half-up doe. Start by parting your hair in the middle and sectioning off a small part at the front. Secure this section with a hair tie. Next, create a hole in the middle of the secured section and flip the ponytail section up. Then, pull the ends of the ponytail through the hole and tug gently to secure the section. Lastly, wrap the ribbon around and tie a knot, then tie another knot to create a bow. Repeat the same steps on the other side, and you're done. Moving on to the second hairstyle, let's try out some ribbon braids. Start by parting your hair down the middle to create 2 even sections. Take one of the sections and tie it into a low ponytail. Then, wrap the ribbon around the ponytail, making sure to choose a ribbon that is the appropriate length for your hairstyle. Divide the ponytail into 3 equal sections and take the 2 ribbons and the outermost section of hair. Begin by crossing the outer section over the middle section and then layering the other outer section over the middle as well. Continue braiding this way until you reach the end of the ponytail. Secure the end with an elastic hair tie and take the remaining ribbon to tie a cute bow around the hair tie. To add the finishing touch to the braids, gently pull out the sides of the braid with your fingers to create a fuller and more voluminous look. And voila! You've now recreated the same braid style that Blackpink's Jennie rocked in her concerts. Coming to the third hairstyle, the bubble ponytail. As usual, begin by sectioning your hair into even parts. Tie a low ponytail, and then about 1 to 2 inches down the length of your ponytail depending on your hair length, place another hair elastic. Gently tug at the sides of this newly created section to add volume and create a rounded, bubble-like shape. To add a pop of color and personality, decorate each bubble with a cute bow, and feel free to get creative with your ribbon color choices. You could even match the ribbon colors to your outfit. The last style, the half-up doe with braids hairstyle. Begin by sectioning the hair at the top of your head into a small V shape and securing it with an elastic band. Create a hole in the middle of the secured section and flip the ponytail section up. Pull the ends of the ponytail through the hole and tug gently to secure it. Next, pull the hair at both sides towards the back and secure them with an elastic band underneath the topsy tail you tied earlier. Now, here's the part that gets a little bit tricky. You are going to take the ponytail to pass through the hole of that topsy tail above. When it is passed through the hole, you can see that the half-up doe ponytail is now higher, giving you that voluminous look. Gently tug the ponytail to secure them, and tie a bow. If you want something more, you can create smaller braids at both sides to add more texture to the overall look. Again, you can add a bow to these braids too. There you have it, 4 easy and stylish hairstyles using ribbons to elevate your look. Whether you're going for a cute and bubbly vibe or a more sophisticated and trendy look, these hairstyles are perfect for any occasion. Don't be afraid to get creative with different ribbon colors and textures to really make these styles your own. And with a little practice, you'll be able to recreate these hairstyles in no time. We hope you enjoyed these fun and easy ribbon braid ideas. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.